Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, murders and shootings are on the decline. The revelation by the police high command at a press briefing today.
Now, interestingly, interpersonal conflicts surpassed gang violence as the main reason behind the murders. Anthony Lugg has the details.
The upsurge in gang warfare in the corporate area and sections of western Jamaica has triggered curfews and states of emergency. As residents cower in fear, the police high command insists the JCF is making progress in targeting gangs and their networks.
At the half-year mark, overall, major crimes were down by 16% when compared to the similar period last year. Murders were down by 13% or 94 less. Shootings were down by 12% or 71 less. Rapes were down by 24% or 63 less. And robberies were down by 23% or 111 less.
The police commissioner revealed that gang violence accounted for 67% of murders, interpersonal conflicts accounted for 20%, 5% occurred in the furtherance of other crimes, while 8% is undetermined. Of note, in the past, gang violence accounted for most of the country's murders. So, what has caused the shift?
So I think that concerted effort by our investigators, our gang unit, and the team that deal with that is reaping results. Along with that, there are specific operations in keeping with our operational plans that allow us to target gangs and their activities. So I think we're starting to see the impact of all of these efforts on that group that really create the most violence in our society.
Data also suggests the tide may be changing. There has also been an increase in the number of murders linked to interpersonal conflicts. It's hoped more focus will be placed on providing the resources needed to address the issues. So
it's not just the conflict between the actual persons involved in the conflict. This creates spillover to families and associates and friends. To the extent that we also deal with the domestic violence aspect of things, and that's one slice of the overall interpersonal issues, we are seeing as well in our domestic violence centers, I believe that the percentage of males coming to the center has increased now to about 35%.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
And with at least 2 mob killings within the last week, the police are again urging citizens to refrain from jungle justice. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey addressed that issue.
Whilst we understand that citizens can become frustrated, especially when cattle are stolen, but we want to appeal to the citizen not to take the law in their own hands. We have had instances in the past where innocent persons who were not actually involved in any act of dishonesty, but they were just in a space at the wrong time.
And investigate.